Alright guys, so just a few weeks back I reported that Motorola is working on a new smartphone called Motorola One Power, and we also saw some live images of this smartphone and it definitely looks beautiful. I think you can check my video on this. And according to the new information we have received from Android headlines, Motorola is not only working on a new smartphone but a whole new series which includes two smartphones, the Moto One and Moto One Power. So basically you are going to get two smartphones based on Motorola One series. Okay, let's start with the naming scheme. Why Motorola is calling them Motorola One? So basically just like the Xiaomi Mi A1, or you can call any Android One smartphone, Motorola is going to implement the Android One operating system, which basically receives the monthly security patches. That means you are going to get every month latest security patch, just like the Google Pixel and Nokia smartphones. And not only that, you are also going to get two major software updates. That means right now I think the Moto One and Moto One Power are going to feature Android 8.1. So definitely you are going to see the Android P, Android 9.0 P I mean. And the second major update is going to be Android Q, that is Android 10. We already have leaks for the same, so I will leave a link below in the description in case you want to check my Android videos. Basically Motorola cancelled the Moto X5 according to the latest reports, and the Moto X4 they launched previously was Android One smartphone in the United States. So they want to continue the Android One process because the main selling point of Android One is the latest security patches. And I think this smartphone, the Moto One and Moto One Power, are definitely going to be popular ones because of the latest security patches. The only problem you guys and many people have with Motorola is because of their software updates. So if you were discontinuing Motorola because of the software updates, this is going to change everything, and I think this smartphone will be available in all the countries where Motorola is sold. Now let's talk about the design of the Moto One. We have already seen the Motorola One Power, so you can check my video again. I'm not going to repeat the same thing again. So this time we are going to talk about the standard Moto One, that I think is going to be a little bit lower variant of the Motorola One Power. Definitely, as the name suggests, you are going to get the powerful battery or maybe powerful processor, but that is not going to be the case with the Moto One. So we have similar beautiful top-notch display, and along with the Android One operating system, we are also going to get the Moto applications like Chop Chop for flashlight and other Moto actions. So that is also going to be included. So the front looks almost similar like the Motorola One Power, but Moto One you are going to get a little bit huge chin, while with the Motorola One Power the chin is little bit tiny. So you can choose between the two, and the major difference comes in the rear panel. So we have a beautiful glass back with separated camera module, and if you compare the same with the Motorola One Power, you are going to get a metal back with joint camera modules. So that is the difference between the two, and we have the same placement for the rear fingerprint sensor. That means at the Batwing logo, and at the last we have the Android One branding. That means it is going to be an Android One smartphone. Rest of the design looks very similar. We have the stereo speakers at the bottom, the USB-C port at the bottom. We are also going to get the headphone jack at the top of that smartphone. I think a nice look, and we don't have the specifications for this device, but the rumored specifications include that the Moto One Power is going to feature a Snapdragon 636 processor, so you can expect 630 for the Moto One, standard Moto One. I think you are going to get a huge battery in the Motorola One Power. That's all we know right now. They both are going to feature the latest Android 8.1 Oreo operating system. Motorola has also released a teaser that they are going to reveal new smartphones and new products on August. So something new is really coming. I think the Moto Z3, standard Moto Z3 with new Moto modes, and these two devices are going to launch. So brace yourself. Definitely we are going to get more leaks and more information, so stay tuned for that, and let me know which one would you choose, the Moto One or Moto One Power. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and peace out.